Hello everyone, NMB Box Breaks doing a box break on a 2015-16 Panini Anthology Hockey. Go ahead and show you the time and date. It is Wednesday, 7/07, August 23rd. And here are all 30 spots. Thanks for everybody getting in. We're going to randomize this list 3 times and the team list 3 times. So here we go. There's 1, 2, and 3. So you got Charlie H at 1 and Michael J at 30. And you see it's been randomized 3 times. Go ahead and copy and paste. And you see Charlie H and Michael J. Alright, so now we'll do the teams. And there's all 30 teams, alphabetical order. And again, we'll randomize this list 3 times as well. There's 1, 2, and 3. So you got your Detroit Red Wings at 1, your New York Rangers at 30. And you see it's been randomized 3 times. And we'll, sorry, let's do that again. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. And there's your Detroit Red Wings at 1 down to your New York Rangers at 30. So there's all. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't start in the 1 spot, but anyway, it goes 2 to 31. So same thing. So there's all your 30 spots. Go ahead and write down your teams. All right. All right, 15-16 Anthology Hockey. It'll definitely have 6 cards. I've done a lot of these boxes. Most of the time, it has 7. So hopefully this one does as well. I don't know why they just don't, put 7 in there and say there's 7, because most of the boxes we've had, there are 7. These will already, there's no pack, these are just loose cards. So I'll go ahead and open it and just kind of leave them flat. Alright. Oh, left one in there, sorry. There it is. I'm going to put that one on the bottom. How's that? Alright, there's the empty box. Alright, so first card. See, it's a big full coverage patch of Tyler Biggs. Tyler Biggs, and it's got a nice low number 9 out of 99. So no, what I do for these is we go to Cardboard Connection, and the checklist on there has all the teams that's supposed to be, because there's no team names or anything on these. So let me go to full coverage. There it is, full coverage. Checklist is card number 4, Tyler Biggs. It says draft prospect, so see where he was drafted and where he's at. So it'll be Tyler Biggs. That's like Biggs was selected first round. Alright, so Biggs was selected in the first round, 22nd overall in the 2011 entry draft by the Toronto Maple Leafs. Alright, so that blue is the Toronto Maple Leafs. So Tyler Biggs will go to the Toronto Maple Leafs. So Tyler Biggs. I just want to write that down. Toronto. All right. So next card, really cool looking patch here. You got your Charlie Coyle and Matt Dumba paired pieces. So it should be a nice little number because it's got a really cool looking patch. Oh, I was covering it. 16 out of 49, so nice. This should be Montreal or Minnesota, but let me just go to Cardboard Connection. And this is called, what is this called? And paired pieces. Sorry guys, just going through a pair of pieces. So let's see what the number is on this card. PPCD, it doesn't have a number, but I'll just find the names. Here it is, Charlie Coyle, Minnesota Wild. Yep, Charlie Coyle, Minnesota Wild, Matt Dumba. Yep, Minnesota Wild. Figure that, just like I said, wanted to just check it out, make sure. All right, so that's going to go to Minnesota. I just want to write that down. All right, here's the next one. This is a Tetrad Materials. Got 4 patches. Ray Bourque. So a cool, nice retired Hall of Famer Ray Bourque. 5 out of 49. So really cool card here. Let's see what we got here. Tetrad Materials. Come on, where's it at? Clear cloth, double coverage. Sorry guys, taking a little bit. There it is, Tetrad Materials. So this says Ray Bourque, Colorado Avalanche. See, that's why I wanted to make sure we looked. Ray Bourque, Colorado Avalanche, because it's card number 23. And that's what it'll say for the on Beckett and on Cardboard Connection. So Ray Bourque, that's going to go to Colorado. All right, here's 4th card here. Another cool Tetrad material, John Tavares. So those are cool. I mean, you got a stick there. I mean, you got some really cool patches there. 25 out of 80. So awesome, you know, another really cool card here. And obviously this is going to be the New York Islanders. But like I said, I just always like to look. And John Tavares, New York Islanders. That's cool. You got a couple patches there. You got it feels like a little stick there. So those are some cool. So you got Ray Bourque and now Tavares. So pretty cool last 2 cards. All right, here's a dual autograph. Derek Pouliot and Joseph Morrow. Let's see what these are. This is dual signatures. Dual autograph set checklist here. Let's see what the number is. We got so it's a 56 out of 299. Is that number 8? Number 8, card number 8. Okay, Joseph Morrow and Derek Pouliot. So they're different teams. So Morrow's Dallas Stars, Derek Poulat's the Pittsburgh Penguins. So what we do is whenever they're different teams, it's always a guy on the top, or if it's left to right, it's going to be the one on the left. So this is going to go to Derek Pouliot, who is the Pittsburgh Penguins. So this is going to be a hit for Pittsburgh. So nice hit for Pittsburgh. All right, and here's a triple autograph. So again, it's going to go to the one on the top if they're not all on the same team. Rick Middleton, Terry O'Reilly, and Ken Hodge. I'm pretty sure all three of those guys are Boston Bruins. Another low number 8 out of 89. So really good card here, triple autograph. So yeah, you got Rick Middleton, Terry O'Reilly, and Ken Hodge all going to the Boston Bruins. So nice 3 autographs on that card. Really nice. So that's your 6th card. Here's number 7. So like I said, we did get 7 cards. And here's a Vincent LeCavalier patch, a massive material. And I would assume this is going to be Tampa Bay, but let's just take a look. There you go, massive material. Let's see the back side. Get a number. To also show you the code number, or the serial number, 34 out of 275. That's card number 63. Vincent LeCavalier. It says Philadelphia Flyers. See, that's why I like to look, because this is going to be the Philadelphia Flyers card. That's why I don't like to guess. Going to Philadelphia. Makes sense, I guess, with that black color patch. So there you go. And these are just your protectors that are all in there. There you go, 7 cards. Some really good hits. Again, this box, I think, for the price, is a great 7, usually 6, 7 cards. A couple autographs, some nice Hall of Fame players. Great variety of players in this. So I'll probably get another one because the 16, 17 boxes, like I said, the prices are so high, and 17, 18 are still, nothing's really out yet. So look, I'll be getting some new stuff in. I do have the SPX 15, 16 back there that still have some spots left in it. But once that one's done, I'll be getting some new stuff in. So keep a lookout for it. Appreciate everyone getting in. Thanks, guys.